integration in logical learning.
Today we will learn about adaptation in plants. Earth is known to have around 3 lakh species of plants. Like animals, plant life is also dependent on various fundamental necessities for their survival. Light, water, air, soil, nutrients, and suitable climatic conditions are necessary for growth. But every habitat does not require necessities. Therefore, plants have evolved certain physiological, behavioral, and structural modification to thrive in such environments. There are adaptations in the desert plants, rainforest adaptation, there are dripping tips which cause the water to run off, tundra, there are needle-like evergreen leaves, aquatic adaptations, the leaves and stem which are underwater are flexible to water movement. Adaptation is important for the survival of living organisms. The ability of the organisms to adapt to different situations help the world to move ahead. Adaptation of plant in desert. Deserts are too dry and hot to imagine life in them. Despite this arid conditions, few plants have adapted to thrive here. Succulent are such plants which can store water in their modified stems and leaves. The spines on cacti also help prevent excess water loss. Some plants have long deep roots which can absorb water from the ground. Other plants grow short to save energy. Another form of adaptation is dormancy. Few seeds remain dormant until they get the water needed for growth. Example: cactus, desert ironwood, desert palm. Adaptations of plants in tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are usually packed with big and tall trees. This tall tree often provides stiff competition for small shrubs and herbs. Tall trees block the sunlight from reaching the ground. They are also known to absorb the nutrients from the soil. In such conditions, ground-level plants start flowering during the spring season. This is because during autumn, other trees shed their leaves, which means more sunlight reaches the forest floor. Other species of ground-level plants are adapted to carry out photosynthesis in low light. Some examples are rubber tree, vanilla orchid, orchids, etc. Adaptation in aquatic plants. Plants which live in water ecosystem like lakes, rivers, ponds, bogs, etc. face many problems. The most common are low oxygen content, low light intensity, lack of soil, and of course nutrients. Some of these issues are resolved by floating in water streams. Aquatic plants develop in a way such that their roots are in water, but the upper half partially emerges from the surface of the water for efficient photosynthesis. Food, nutrients, and air are absorbed through modified stems and roots. Example: floating heart, water lily, lotus, etc. Adaptations of plants in polar regions. Polar regions include one of the coldest regions on Earth, and the vegetation found here is quite sparse. Sages, dwarf shrubs, grasses, and certain mosses and lichens are some plant species found in these terrains. The special feature of these plants include short stature, not more than 12 inches, hair parts, darker color, etc. Sometimes trees hold on to dead leaves for insulation. However, larger plants such as trees are uncommon as the roots cannot penetrate deeply because of the permafrost. Example: short shrubs, sages, beech trees. Adaptation of plants against herbivory. Herbivory is the consumption of plant matter by any organism. Since plants are the primary producer in an ecosystem, nearly all secondary consumers depend on them for substances. Therefore, to prevent herbivory, plants developed thorns, spines, and chemicals. Thorns are the most common form of deterrent. Other plants might use chemicals to leave an unpleasant taste in the mouths of the herbivores, but some of these chemicals are very toxic and might result in the death if consumed. Habitat. Habitat is the place where an organism Leaves. It comprises both biotic and abiotic factors. A habitat provides food and shelter to the organisms living in that area. Hopefully you have loved this video. If you want this kind of videos more, then stay tuned and thank you for watching.